A bird is a type of animal that has feathers, wings, and a beak. They are able to fly and can be found all over the world. There are many different kinds of birds, each with their own unique characteristics. Some birds, like sparrows and robins, are small and have plain feathers. Others, like parrots and peacocks, are larger and have a brightly colored feathers. Birds are known for their beautiful songs, and some can even mimic the sounds of other animals or humans. Many people enjoy watching and studying birds, and some even keep them as pets.